Hi everybody, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can send easily file between your iPhone device or your Android device to your computer or from your computer to your Android or iPhone device. So the process is very simple. We are going to use a third party application which is a local send. First, I will show you on computer and then we will move on iPhone screen. First thing, hit on localsend.org in your browser. Then here look for Windows. You have other four options for Mac books, for Linux operating systems, for Android devices, and for Apple devices. So I will choose for Windows and I will click on exe installer. Once it got download, I will simply just install it. There is not much to show you for the installation process. So once installation will finish, you will see an icon like this. So now let's take a look how to install the application in iPhone. On iPhone, you also have to open the same website, and once you open in the iPhone, it will automatically check on iOS and then it will show you the app store option. So simply tap on app store and just download it. It's a very light app. Simply just open the app. It will look like this. Okay, now let's open the app from the desktop. First thing, let's send something from your computer to iPhone. So to send, just click on send, and from here you can select the multiple options: file, folder, text, and paste. Let's say I want to send this file to my iPhone, so I will just right click on it, show more options in Windows 11, and then click on send to local send. Here now select the iPhone. Now from your iPhone you have to click accept. Once you accept, you will receive this file and your file will be saved in your files folder. Now let's send a file from your iPhone to your computer. To send a file, we will click send on iPhone, and then from here I will select the media. I will select a one screenshot. I will hit confirm, and then I will click on show in folder. The first image is the one which we have just sent from our iPhone, and here you go. So this is the screenshot which we just transferred from iPhone to our desktop computer. So this way you can send unlimited files between your desktop and computer without sending on the emails. And also the best thing is this application is free. So that's it for today. See you in the next video.